Introducing to the BalBack range of products. So ideally the name BalBack, getting your hair back, was the rational brand rational. So ideally that is how we derive the name BalBack for the range of products. So going ahead with this, the hair loss mechanism, as we are aware that there are three phases of hair growth: the anagen phase, the catagen phase, the telogen phase. So the ideal aim of any of the product related to your hair growth or hair restoration is to enhance your anagen phase, so that the hair fall stops. Now, going ahead with types of hair losses and what are the other types of hair losses. So there are male pattern alopecia, female pattern alopecia. The male pattern and the female pattern alopecia are reversible. The telogen effluvium is also reversible. Also, the other types of hair losses is also reversible. So DHT is a hormone that ideally affects the hair loss in males. Whenever there is excess secretion of testosterone, it gets converted into an hormone called as DHT, which then goes and affects the hair follicle, which ideally causes hair miniaturization. Hair miniaturization followed by hair fall, and the baldness ideally takes place because of all that. So testosterone gets converted into DHT with the help of with the help of 5-alpha reductase. So that is how ideally the hair miniaturization takes place, and the male and the female pattern alopecia starts. So now going ahead with the kind of hair losses in the males and the female. In the males, if you see, initially the hair loss starts by forming an M shape in the head and a round shape in the behind region. In the females actually, the hair loss starts in the middle partition. So now we have a product called as BalBack Pro. BalBack Pro is a product formulation which has bicapil 3%, Redensil 2%, and procapil 3%. So ideally, it stimulates your hair growth, increases your hair density, prevents hair follicle aging. It also promotes the hair follicle health, strengthens your hair follicle, and improves your hair thickness. This product comes in a 60 ml packing and has an MRP of 1440. So the Redensil present in our formulation stimulates the hair growth, increases the hair density. The bicapil present in the formulation strengthens the hair follicle, improves the hair thickness. The procapil present in the formulation prevents hair fall, hair follicle aging, promotes hair follicle strength. The next product in the BalBack category that we are having is BalBack FM, which is a finasteride and minoxidil combination. Minoxidil is in 5%, finasteride is in 0.1 percentage. Since this product does not have propylene glycol, it does not. There are less chances of recrystallization. If you see, since this product is propylene glycol free, the ideal problem with only minoxidil formulation is that the crystallization would happen and the hair quality would decrease. Since this product is free from propylene glycol, there is no recrystallization happening in this formulation. The further product that we are having in the BalBack category is BalBack OM. BalBack OM is an oral minoxidil tablet, which is in 2.5 mg strength. It is a convenient packing. It has systemic absorption. It is clinically proven. 30 tablets are there in one bottle. The MRP for this is 390. Also, we provide a storage container, which can be helped for scoring, so that you could break the tablets as well as for storage of the broken tablets also. So this product will promotes the hair follicle regeneration, improves the hair thickness, treats hair loss, increases hair follicle lifespan. It also enhances the scalp health. So this product is for that. So now we have completed all the three products from the BalBack category that we are having.